Hey guys, it's me, and right now I am playing Moves Our Planet. Okay. So today I am going to be exposing people. Don't mind my voice, I don't want you guys to hear my horrible voice. So, yeah. Oh my god. Oh yeah, speaking of which, I posted a photo of this, and I was like, what? Like, look at that. Look at that. That's mixed up. Okay? Look. Okay, whatever. So I am gonna be exposing fake friends. Let's see how this goes. So I'm gonna be opening a new thing. I'm gonna make a new account. And this new account will be, actually it's not gonna be that new. I'm gonna go to my backup account. Come on, I know this is my backup account. Yeah. Can we be 20? Like 20 is so common for me. So the first person. Oh my, look at. Oh my god. What? See, do you guys see that? Okay. First person. Someone. Okay, we're gonna try Ava Girl 1222. Ava 1222. Oh, wow. There we go. Cheers. We're exposing fake friends. And I'm not trying to put these people out on this site. Julie, Sasha. Did I spell her name? Oh, Julie. There we go. Okay. It's these two people that I'm mostly online because so yeah. I will go in the next day to see what they say. So bye guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. I mean like the video.